Students that enroll in this program will get a good idea about all the various different energy production systems that we have in the U.S., and then also different ways that we might distribute and transmit that energy and power across the end users.
It was the name of the program. It was the energy infrastructure emphasis. That's what really drew me in.
We spent a lot of time on producing energy, specifically electricity, but we talk about fuels, natural gas plants, fossil fuels.
We also cover renewable energy, things like wind power and also solar energy.
From the design phase to the construction phase to actually getting it up and working so that everyone can take advantage of it. This program was really that bridge for me into actually putting kind of all these things I've learned in undergrad and all these things I've been really passionate about and making them a reality.
The students that join the energy infrastructure program are either entry level or somewhere like maybe mid-level in their careers. So these are folks that are really maybe looking into staying within their company and maybe getting like a promotion, or maybe these students are looking to get into maybe a different type of project or industry in general that's related to the energy field.
This program opened up a lot of other possibilities for jobs in other industries and kind of industries that run alongside my current one. I am a full-time worker, so it needed to be a program that could work with my 9-to-5 schedule.
I think it's really helpful to have an educational platform that's going to be 100% online, and then also asynchronous, meaning that there are really no mandatory times that you need to go meet people and lecture.
Many of our students keep their full-time jobs going full-time. They take 1, maybe 2 courses a quarter.
I'm not having to halt my growth at my job, and then I'm also able to grow personally as well.
Every week you kind of have this very repeatable pattern of things going on. You have lectures, you have quizzes, you have discussions.
And so that kind of lets you plan out your entire week, if not month, around it. I found it extremely conducive to my lifestyle. The discussion boards were a huge part of my learning experience.
And kind of naturally, these discussion boards kind of turn into more of a networking opportunity.
I didn't realize that they were going to be so interactive. I was not really informed that much about construction as an industry, and now I feel like I have a deep understanding of the people who are in it, the available jobs within it, because they were able to pull on their personal experience to make it more relatable for someone who might be coming from more of an outside perspective.
One of the things that makes this program unique is the people that are a part of it.
I was really excited to have instructors that were already working in the fields I hope to work in and hope to grow in. There was a lot of personal experience embedded in these courses, which is exciting.
And really just showcase all the different problems that they deal with and all the various solutions that they can come up with.
I now feel like I drive around Seattle or even in the mountains and I see things that my instructors have personally worked on, which is really cool. It kind of also makes you feel like, all right, these are things that I can also work on and improvements I can make to this community.
I think the power demand in the U.S. Is going to be increasing, especially over the next, 5 to 10 years.
There's 2,800 data centers in this country already, and there's going to be a lot more. They all take electricity, lots of electricity. And so yes, it's going to be one thing to build the data centers, but you've got to build the power plants to go with them.
And the demand for construction, in particular to the energy infrastructure, is really high right now. So that's another big outlet for the students to be going into.
I think the program made me feel like I can actually move forward with a lot of the bigger ideas I've had about integrating renewable energy into our current grid and existing infrastructure. And it instilled a lot of confidence in me that it's something that can happen and can happen in the near future.
You've got a lot of support, you have a lot of flexibility, and we're here to help you transition to whatever your career aspirations are in the future.